Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this beautiful car, the new Audi A5. This is the estate model, the A5 Avant, and the new A5 is replacing both the A4 and A5 models. Let's start here on the front where we have the beautiful new design language from Audi, the large single frame grille. I love the pattern here, the 3D pattern on the grille itself. We have the beautiful matrix LEDs on this particular model, and they have different lighting signatures that you can change within the infotainment system. 4 meters, 83.2 centimeters is the length of the car, and it sits on the 19-inch wheels. In this case, you can go from 17 up to 20 inch. And now from the rear, look at this. How gorgeous does this look? I will close the car. You will see the beautiful animation, and you will see it once again when I unlock it. So enjoy it. Look at this. How cool is that? So the digital OLED rear lights, they also have different lighting signatures that you can change, and they are connected, emphasizing the width of the car, and really they give it a gorgeous look. And I'm a huge fan of the design of this new Audi A5. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? We have the diesel model in this case, and you see the 2 real exhaust pipes. Now you see this, there's one of many ways to open the tailgate. Very cool detail. You can also do it by double pressing the button on the key, or of course by pressing the button on the tailgate itself. A nice square shape. It's easy to fold the seats. Just pull these, and I think now we are ready to go. I will close it like this. How nice does this look? And now let's go on a drive. You see the puddle lights and also very cool door handle. There we go. Various options here. So changing off the lights, lock and unlock, the mirrors and the windows. And here is how it looks with the 3 screens here on the dashboard itself. Let me also show you the seats. Very nice design, and also they are very good. I've been driving this car practically for the whole day. So now without further ado, let's jump inside. I will put the key here, and by the way, this is the key. The start engine button, and we are now ready to go. So here is your view as a driver. Gorgeous interior. Look at the layout here with the large screens, the beautiful ambient lights. And before we start the drive, I want to show you this passenger's display. So this is the optional 10.9-inch screen. It's very cool if you ask me, and also pretty useful for the passenger. But even like this, you have this standby design. I think it gives this interior even more special feel. Now I will put on my seat belt, and we are ready to go. This is the minimalistic gear selector for the S Tronic automatic transmission. Put it to drive, and we are ready to go. And this model is the 2-liter diesel with mild hybrid technology, 204 horsepower, and also the MHEV Plus technology, up to 24 PS from electric system. So power generator adds up to 24 PS, and you will see that the drive in it is very smooth. You can drive with just electric power as well in some sections, which you will see, and I hope you will enjoy the drive just as much as I will. This car is available with either front-wheel drive or the Quattro Ultra all-wheel drive, which we have in this model. So this is the Quattro Ultra all-wheel drive model, and again the S Tronic automatic transmission. So very nice combination. Let's also mention other options. So you can go for the petrol versions, 150 or 204 horsepower, and then there are also 2 plug-in hybrids available as well, with range up to 110 kilometers on electric power. So that is really impressive, and also very good choice if you do a lot of daily commuting and you have charger maybe at your house or in the place where you work. And soon we will depart this big garage and go on a nice relaxed night drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. And look at this detail. Okay, we are ready. And you see now we are maneuvering with electric power. Let's also mention that the current top of the line model is the S5 with the V6 TFSI engine producing 367 PS. So those are the options when it comes to powertrains. Tell me in your comments which one is your favorite and which one would you choose. I quite like this diesel, and again it's very smooth. For example, now as you can see we are coasting, so here are the revs and you have different layouts here in front of you. So if we press this is like the minimalistic view, and then here you have additional info on the left and on the right. And then also you will see when I change the driving modes here, so drive, select. If we go to dynamic, so dynamic is the same as individual because I wanted this layout on the individual. And if we go to comfort, now you see different layout here with the speed, and then the revs are in here. You also have the efficiency, so those are the Audi Drive select modes. Let's put the comfort for now, and also you see the lovely 3D view of the buildings here on the map. And the car has got beautiful ambient lights. So if we go here, interior lighting, and now we can change between various options. I really love the ambient lighting. If you follow me regularly, you will know that I'm a big fan of it. And here it just looks so good. So huge thumb up from me. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. So look at this green, and then also the blue one with greenish accents here and also over there. The purple stands out so much. And then you also have the option to configure this line here, and then also surfaces. So you will see now we will change the color of this. There we go. But let's go back to those presets, and I will put the purple for now. And look how smooth the drive is. And when I turn on the indicator, look at this. Very cool detail as well. So as Audi calls this the digital stage, what we have here is in front of us 11.9-inch digital cockpit, and then here you see the 14.5-inch touchscreen with the new infotainment system, and then the optional 10.9-inch passengers display. And I want a bit lower temperature in the cabin, so what I will do is press this.
What can I do for you?
Change temperature to 21 degrees.
I'll set the temperature to 21 degrees.
There we go. So you can do various things. The Audi Assistant, very useful indeed. And also maybe you noticed a cool detail. So look at this. when you go to hotter temperature, and then when you go to colder, this turns into blue. If I go to 22 degrees, turns to red. Very cool. And we will put the car now into dynamic. And it's so nice to drive the car. I mean, entering the corners and yeah, just enjoying the drive itself. Big thumb up from me. I will do another lap in here. Feels so nice in the corners. And also not sure how much the camera is catching it, but the head-up display is very good. So much info on it, and definitely makes your drive easier. And now you see also this light bar that has this cool dynamic thing going on when you have the indicator turned on. And let's check out the map view, and I will turn on the navigation now. Here on our right, you see you also have the instructions telling you where to go and when is your next turn. And the car has got various driver assistance safety systems, and it's easy to access them and you know, change the way that you want them to work. Just press the physical button in here, and now you have them. You have the favorites, warnings, lane assist, speed, brake, and efficiency. Driving with the electric power. So you hear the electric sound, and also look at the revs. No revs. So electric power on this MHEV Plus system. And very cool detail like the finish line flag when you approach your destination, because I've set this as destination. And now, of course, engine kicks in. And by the way, the speed warning that is mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. If you press this, here is where you can turn it off. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more, and also you can watch my full review during the day as well if you want to see more details of the infotainment system and other things as well. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the car and how did you like this drive? See you on the next one. Bye bye.